This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Don't miss your opportunity to build your dream home on the last waterfront lot in Lago Mar. Quality custom construction on approximately half-acre lot with beautiful lake views. Open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings on the first floor. First floor guest suite with private bathroom. High-end finishes include chef's kitchen with quartz countertops and custom cabinets, hardwood flooring, ceramic tile baths, upgraded trim package and much more. Large primary suite with tray ceiling. Luxury primary bath with ceramic tile shower and custom cabinetry. Huge walk-in primary closet. Taken views of the lake from the deck and screened-in porch. Build your plans or ours. Call today to start designing your dream waterfront home in Lago Mar. For more information.